Now, the continuation of the previous class, we will do some more objective problems on parabola. Write the problem. If the line x minus 3y plus k is equal to 0 touches the parabola touches the parabola 3y square is equal to 4x, then k is equal to. Already we did this problem in last class. Write the next problem. If the line 2x plus 3y plus k is equal to 0 touches the parabola x square is equal to 108y, then k is equal to. If the line touches the parabola x square is equal to 108y, then k is equal to. Here parabola equation is changed. It is in the form of x square is equal to 4ay. Write one formula here. The condition for the line y is equal to mx plus c touches the parabola x square is equal to 4ay is c is equal to minus am square. If this line touches the parabola y square is equal to 4ax in this form, then the condition is c is equal to a by m. We discussed this condition in previous class. If this line touches this parabola x square is equal to 4ay, then the condition is c is equal to minus am square. Now convert this straight line into this form. Write it as given line 3y is equal to minus 2x minus k. Given line is, from this y is equal to minus 2 by 3x minus k by 3. It is in the form of y is equal to mx plus c. What is m value? Minus 2 by 3. What is c value? Minus k by 3. Okay, what is the given parabola? X square is equal to 108y. So compare this parabola with this. 4a is equal to 108. Then a is equal to 108 by 4, 27. A is 27. What is the condition for this line touches the parabola? C is equal to minus am square. What is C value? Minus k by 3 is equal to minus a into 27 into m square. What is m value? Minus 2 by 3. Minus 2 by 3 whole square. This minus and this minus cancel. K by 3 is equal to 27 into 4 by 9. 9 3 times, cross multiply, k is equal to 3 into 4 12, 12 into 3 36. Write the next problem. Equation of the tangent to y square is equal to 8x, which is parallel to x minus y plus 3 is equal to 0 is okay. Equation of tangent to the parabola y square is equal to 4ax, which is parallel to this. So what is the slope of this line? Slope of x minus y plus 3 is equal to 0 is slope of any line ax plus by plus c is equal to 0 is minus a by b. M is equal to minus a minus 1 by minus 1, that is 1. Slope of, therefore, slope of parallel line is, if the lines are parallel, then their slopes are equal. So slope of the parallel line is also 1. Slope of the parallel line is also 1. Okay. What is the given parabola? Given parabola is y square is equal to 8x. Compare with y square is equal to 4ax. Then 4a is equal to 8. So a is equal to 2. Okay. When slope is known and a value is known, equation of any tangent is y is equal to mx plus a by m. We discussed this formula in previous class. What is m value? 1. M value 1, a value 2. 2 by 1, that is 2. So equation of the tangent is y is equal to x plus 2, or write it as x minus y plus 2 is equal to 0. Next, sum of slopes of two tangents drawn from the point 3, 5 to the parabola y square is equal to 8x is. Write one formula here. See, y square is equal to 4ax. This is the shape of that parabola. Y square is equal to 4ax. From an external point, this is the external point to that parabola. How many tangents are drawn? This is one tangent and this is another tangent. Two tangents are drawn. Two tangents are drawn from an external point to the parabola. Let m1 be the slope of first tangent, m2 be the slope of second tangent. Then sum of the slopes m1 plus m2 is equal to, write the formula, sum of the slopes is equal to y1 by x1. Product of the slopes m1 into m2 is equal to a by x1. Write the formula. Let m1 comma m2 be the slopes of two tangents, slopes of two tangents from the point x1 y1 to the parabola y square is equal to 4ax. Then write these two formulas, m1 plus m2 is equal to, sum of the slopes is equal to, product of the slopes is equal to. Okay, see here, what is the given point? x1 y1. C is 3 comma 5. From the parabola, what is a value? It is in the form of y square is equal to 4ax. 4a is equal to 8. So a is equal to 2. Here sum of the slopes. Sum of slopes. What is the formula to find sum of the slopes? m1 plus m2 is equal to y1 by x1. 5 by 3. Next, the slopes of two tangents drawn from three by 2 comma 5 to the parabola y square is equal to 6x, or from this point two tangents are drawn to the parabola. Find the slopes of those two tangents. We apply this same formula. What is the given point? x1 y1. Given point x1 y1 is 3 by 2 comma 5. x1 is equal to 3 by 2, y1 is equal to 5. From this parabola 4a is equal to 6. A is equal to 6 by 4. A is 3 by 2. Now, what is the sum of the slopes? M1 plus M2. Y1 by X1. What is Y1? 5. X1 3 by 2. 2 goes to numerator. 10 by 3. Next, what is the product? M1 into M2. Product of the slopes. A by X1. A by X1. What is A value? 3 by 2. By what is X1? X1 is also 3 by 2. 3 by 2, 3 by 2 cancel. M1 into M2 is equal to 1. Now, from this, find the values of, find the slopes. Slopes means find the values of M1 and M2. Now, this is sum of the slopes and this is the product of the slopes. Then what is the quadratic equation having M1 and M2 as roots? M square minus of sum of the roots into M plus product of the roots is equal to 0. We already known if alpha comma beta are the roots of an equation, then that equation is in the form of x square minus sum of the roots into x plus product of the roots is equal to 0. Here roots are M1 and M2. So that equation is in this form. M square minus, what is M1 plus M2 value? 10 by 3 into M plus M1 into M2, 1 is equal to 0. Now take LCM, we get 3m square minus 10m plus 3 is equal to 0. On cross multiplying, 3 into 0, 3. Now solve this and find the value of m. 3 into 3, 9. 9 plus 1, 10. 3m square minus 9m minus m plus 3 is equal to 0. Take 3 common from first two terms. 3m into m minus 3 minus 1 into m minus 3 is equal to 0. m minus 3 into 3m minus 1 is equal to 0. So m is equal to 3 and m is equal to 1 by 3. So the slopes are 3 and 1 by 3. Write the next problem. Equation of the tangent to the parabola x square minus 4x minus 8y plus 12 is equal to 0 at the point 4 comma 3 by 2 is equation of tangent to this parabola at this point. We know equation of tangent to any parabola is S1 is equal to 0. Equation of tangent to any curve, either it is parabola or circle or ellipse or hyperbola, is S1 is equal to 0. See what is the given point x1, y1, 4 comma 3 by 2. To this equation, how to write S1? X square is taken as x into x1 minus 4x is taken as 2 into 2x. 2x is taken as x plus x1. 8y, this is taken as 4 into 2y. 2y is taken as y plus y1 plus 12 is equal to 0. Here x square is x into x. This is taken as 2 into 2x. 2x is taken as x plus x. It is taken as 4 into 2y. 2y is taken as y plus y. Substitute the point x1, y1. What is x1? 4. y1 3 by 2. 4x minus 2 into x plus 4 minus 4 into y plus 3 by 2 plus 12 is equal to 0. 4x minus 2x minus 8 minus 4y minus 6 plus 12 is equal to 0. 4x minus 2x, 2x minus 4y minus 8 minus 6 minus 14 plus 12 minus 2 is equal to 0. Is x minus 2y minus 1 is equal to 0. Take 2 common. Write the next problem. Equation of tangent to the parabola y square is equal to 16x, which is perpendicular to perpendicular to 2x minus y plus 5 is equal to 0 is okay. Equation of tangent to this parabola, the tangent is perpendicular to this line. Okay, what is the slope of this line? Slope of that line. Slope of any line is minus a by b. Slope of the line ax plus by plus c is minus a by b. Minus 2 by minus 1. That is 2. If the slope of this line is 2, then slope of perpendicular line is minus 1 by 2. If 2 is the slope of given line, slope of the perpendicular line is minus 1 by 2. Okay. From this parabola, 4a is equal to 16. Compare this equation with y square is equal to 4ax. 4a is equal to 16. So a is equal to 4. Now we know one formula, equation of any tangent. Equation of any tangent is y is equal to mx plus a by m. Equation of any tangent. When a value and m value is known, y is equal to mx plus a by m. We already discussed this formula in previous class. You substitute a value and m value here. Y is equal to m minus 1 by 2x, 4 into a is 4 by m minus 1 by, this 2 goes to numerator. Y is equal to minus x by 2 minus 8. What is the LCM here? 2. Minus x minus 16. Cross multiply. We get 2y is equal to minus x minus 16. X plus 2y plus 16 is equal to 0. In this problem, if this is parallel, then we take the same slope. We know when the lines are parallel, slopes are equal. When the lines are perpendicular, product of the slopes is minus 1. Next, if the line x plus y plus 1 is equal to 0 touches the parabola y square is equal to k into x, then k is equal to, and find the value of k. What is the given line? Given line is x plus y plus 1 is equal to 0. Convert this into y is equal to mx plus c form. We get y is equal to minus x minus 1. This is in the form of y is equal to mx plus c, where m is equal to minus 1, c is equal to minus 1. What is the given parabola? Y square is equal to kx. It is in the form of y square is equal to 4ax. 4a is equal to k. A is equal to k by 4. We know if this line touches the parabola y square is equal to 4ax, then the condition is c is equal to a by m. Y is equal to mx plus c touches the parabola y square is equal to 4ax if c is equal to a by m. Apply this condition. What is c value? Minus 1 is equal to a k by 4 by m minus 1. Cross multiply. Minus 1 into minus 1, 1. K by 4 is equal to 1. So k is equal to 4. Therefore, the value of k is 4. Write the next problem. The line 4x plus 6y plus 9 is equal to 0 touches the parabola y square is equal to 4ax, then a is equal to what is the given line here? Given line is 4x plus 6y plus 9 is equal to 0. Write it as 6y is equal to minus 4x minus 9. Y is equal to, divide with 6. It is in the form of y is equal to mx plus c. What is m value here? Minus 4 by 6. That is minus 2 by 3. What is c value? Minus 9 by 6. That is minus 3 by 2. What is the condition for the line y is equal to mx plus c touches the parabola y square is equal to 4ax? We already discussed it. C is equal to a by m. Apply this condition. C minus 3 by 2 is equal to a by, a value is a, m minus 2 by 3. Now cross multiply. A is equal to minus 3 by 2 into minus 2 by 3. 2 cancel, 3 cancel. We get 1. So A is equal to